The Igbo meaning of Ogo bụ onye. Let's correct this misconception. Ogo mother translates to a person who becomes part of a woman's family through the bonds of marriage. As part of this family, there are certain cultural expectations that we have for our in-laws, and they include providing necessary material things for your in-laws, being part of every occasion, funerals, celebrations that go on within your in-laws' homestead. And most especially, as an in-law, you become a contributing member to the development and to the well-being of your in-laws. And this is why when a man is sick and he's bedridden, the in-law does not just wash off his hands towards that condition, especially when he's capable of helping that situation. He's going to chip in, or he's expected to chip in and contribute to as much as he can. But then, as a form of praise and appreciation for the contribution of the in-law would use this exclamation, Ogobuchi onye. This exclamation more or less shows endearment rather than suggestive enslavement or the selling of one's daughter to a powerful in-law in order to repay a debt. So while the authentic expression of this proverb is Ogobuchi onye, some individuals erroneously quote this proverb as Ogobuchi ogbenye or Ogo buchi ogbenye. This error, or the errors we can spot in this translation, is that this proverb is used by every family in Igbo land. So whether you're wealthy or whether you're poor, it does not matter. Because when your in-laws do something for you, or when they do something for you and your family, the first exclamation or what you say to express your joy and gratitude for the action they did is Ogo. Now, at the same time, proverbs like Izyoga Maka is also synonymously used to Ogobuchionye. So this narrative that people are trying to peddle needs to be corrected to avoid passing the wrong message to our children.